breaking news. Odonga is back in his style, is back after a long time. I know some people will be asking themselves that why is this really being considered a breaking news? For what reason? Well, you will get to know this. Odonga had taken long without being present online. In our whole earlier post, I clearly said that Odonga had indicated that he's having some media fatigue and needed media break. Now, the last time Odonga posted was on the 18th of July. Take a look at that, 18th of July. All this long, that is when Odonga tweeted on his X account. He said, Uganda transition, there's deep-seated hatred on the political and economic elites aggravated by population explosion, youth unemployment, and Ganda nationalism. At time T, it will violently explode, resulting in a bloodbath in Baganda and parts of Basoga. It's a sleeping volcano. Now, 15 hours ago is, 23 hours ago is when Odonga retweeted a post from a man by the name Bagwere. Otto, he said, continue resting in peace, Mzee James Otto. You gave your life and energy to defending human rights and freedoms in Acholi land and Uganda. You spoke truth to power without fear. You didn't live to see the world that you desired, but your legacy remains that 25th August 1945 to 23rd September 2016. That is when this guy was talking about the late father, who also apparently, following the tweet of Odonga indicates that was also the father to Odonga. Tweet 15 hours ago, that is when Odonga fully, we can say, is back. Say today, 23rd September, marks the anniversary of the passing on of my father, the late James Otto. I wish to thank Kagota Museveni for coming. A testimony that we may ideologically differ, but grief unites us. Rest in peace, Dad. And he tagged the photo of President Museveni at the burial of his father. That is in 2016, on the 23rd of September 2016. So this is a reminder of yesterday. So yesterday marked the anniversary of when his father passed away. Now the question is, Odonga coming back in style, coming back with a tweet on the day, on the anniversary when his father passed away, and appreciating Museveni. Many people have been speculating that maybe Odonga is soon going to be appointed in something, maybe as a minister or whatever else. So the good news is he's back. Maybe the media fatigue is over, and maybe media break is over. We are yet to find out. Thank you so much. Let's keep tuned. Let's keep subscribed. Nice time.